Hello everyone and welcome back to another Investillionaire special. In this video we'll be taking a look at a project that we are super excited about, and that is the AXEDAO project and the AX token, as well as our price forecast for it. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now let's go ahead and get started. So here we are on CoinMarketCap and we're trying to see what the AXEDAO is all about. So scrolling down, we do see that AXEDAO is a decentralized reserve currency protocol based on the AX token. Each AX token is backed by a basket of assets, USDC, DAI in the AX treasury, giving it intrinsic value that it cannot fall below. AX also introduces unique economic and game theoretic dynamics into the market through staking and bonding. So this is pretty much a fork, an ohm fork. So it doesn't do anything extra. It's really just a copy of Olympus DAO, and it is available right now on the Ethereum network. Now the reason why I'm telling you to get into this project is because it's very recent, guys. So the market cap is still very low, so you can see 3 million market cap. Now this is insanely low, and that's why we believe this price can go up a lot in the coming few days and weeks, because right now if you're getting in early, you're getting in extremely early. If you remember Hector DAO, we got in Hector DAO, it wasn't even this low, it was more than that. Now the problem with this project is that it's on Ethereum. So if you're considering getting in, remember that you're gonna have to pay fees. So you're gonna have to pay like $200 just to get in. So it might not be worth it to go in with a small amount, but it's definitely worth it to go in with a higher amount. And you can see on the price history, so it started, on November, started with $80, and so far it's already done incredible returns in just a couple of days. So let's take a look at the all-time highs and the all-time lows. So you can see that 2 days ago it reached $241, but now looks like the market is dipping, so it's dipping too. And the all-time lows was 3 days ago at $80. That's the time when it got listed here on CoinMarketCap. So it's still a lot of room to grow. Remember, this is still extremely early on this project, only 3 days since it's been listed here. So as you can see, it doesn't have a lot of attention right now, so getting in at this time can guarantee you a lot of future profits. But also you have to remember that there's also an extra risk with this type of project. Why? Because it is still not adopted, it's still not well known. So you can see there's only 317 people's watch list. Now let's take a look at their website, which is axedao.finance. So this is their website, same thing, same explanation as you can see with Olympus DAO or Wonderland or any type of own fork. They're giving you, basically they're selling bonds and they're allowing you to stake your tokens for returns. So the current APY that they have is this much, so a crazy amount, 2 million percent APY. The treasury is $773 million, and seems like the total value locked right now is 1.3 million. So it's still growing. That's what we like, is that it's growing. Even though that it's a new project, it is still managing to gain market value. So if we enter their app, maybe we can get more up-to-date information on what they have. So let's wait and see. Okay, so the market cap is actually 3.6 million, and we can expect this to grow until it reaches maybe 30 million. So right now you have to take action very fast, because the longer you wait, the more the market cap is gonna grow. And you can see you can stake your coins and get this nice APY. So it's a good APY. And if this continues going up, you're gonna be gaining money in 2 ways. First, you're going to be gaining money from the adoption that this project is going to get in the future, and also you're going to be making money from the APY. But you have to take action quickly, because the longer you wait, the more the price is going to go higher, and then you might be put in a bad situation. So also you can get the bonds, but for now, if you just take the stake your coins, it should be good enough. And if we check their Twitter page also, you can see they have only 1,200 followers so far. But we can see that on their Twitter, they're doing good marketing. Like they have some influencers there that are gonna be tweeting on their coins. So it might reach a point of discovery where a lot of people are gonna join on this coin. They realize, okay, Olympus made it, to all this high amounts. Now I think it's at 2 billion or 3 billion. So now looking at this at 3 million, there's a huge opportunity. Even if it grows just a little bit, it can still make huge money for the people that are buying it right now, because the price is, as we said, is the lowest. So you can follow their Twitter and see the growth of their Twitter. But remember, this is still considered very high risk, because like we said, the project is still not well known, but this can be considered also as a hidden gem. If this project gets discovered, then the price will go absolutely parabolic, through the moon, through the roof. Even if you put 1K now, you put a bet on 1K, well, you have to subtract the fees that you're going to pay. So let's say 800, and you just wait it out 2-3 weeks, you might have already 10x your results, and then keep the rest. You can withdraw your initial investment, maybe take some profits, and keep the rest and ride on the APY. Or if you want to decide to keep everything in, because we still believe that this is going to go up higher in value. So remember, guys, this is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors in any way, shape, or form. And this video is made only for entertainment and educational purposes. And that's why you should always do your own diligence and your own research before investing into any coin. Don't listen to some guy on YouTube telling you this coin is gonna go up parabolic, Don't believe me. Just do your research and then think for yourself. Do you want to take this risk? Check the market cap for this coin. Check the market caps for the other coins, the other forks, and then decide for yourself. Does this make sense or not? Does the APY is going to support my gains or not? What's your strategy to play? Now, our strategy is going to be going in right now with a large amount, and then basically keeping that amount until you have the APY basically is going to generate a lot of money within even a few days. And then you can just remove all your initial investment and ride on the free coins that you have, if you are scared about this project. Because like we said, now we see there is two, or let's say three potential ways that this project can go. Number one, the market cap is going to explode because the project is going to get discovered and adopted. So this is what we want. We immediately make at least 10x just on the market cap growing. Guys, I don't think you understand, the market cap is so low for this project right now because it's new. So the time to entry is also important. You have to get in early into these types of projects. So that's number one scenario. Number two scenario, you put in, you invest today, and then the market cap doesn't go up. It stays like this. The project, doesn't do shit. Nothing happens with it. So then you can say, okay, I'm going to withdraw my initial investment because the project doesn't seem to go. Now, this is going to take probably 2 to 3 weeks, maximum 1 month. And then you're going to see the community. You're going to see how many people are following. Is it growing or not? If it's growing, then sure, you can keep your investment because you got in early, so you can probably make a lot more money. But if it doesn't go that way, if the project stays stagnant and the marketing doesn't work for this project and it doesn't gain adoption, then you can decide, okay, I'm going to take out my initial investment right now. So then you take out your initial investment. Maybe you're going to be at a loss. I don't know. You have to do the calculations, do the math. But most probably based on their APY, their crazy APY, if you keep it for two weeks, you're not going to be at losses. You're going to be maybe making a little bit of money here or breaking even, which is which is basically you just wasted your time on that project and that's it. And now the third thing is that this project crashes. So this project can be a scam and it crashes. But this is highly unlikely, especially at this point right now, because it's very new. So if someone is trying to do a rug pull on this, they're gonna wait. They're gonna wait to accumulate more money. So there you go. These are the three scenarios. Extremely high risk project, but also with extreme risk there comes extreme reward. So now the ball is in your court. What are you gonna do? It's still early. The time is ticking. It's up 15%, even though the market is crashing. So remember, market cap is the most important thing, and time. So make sure that you do your own research, it's your own money. Don't listen to what I say. Even if I'm telling you that I'm buying this project for myself, that's only me talking about it. I'm talking about my money. I'm 100% willing to lose it. You know, I put 5K into this. I'm 100% okay with losing it tomorrow, because all this investment is money that I can afford to lose, that I've gained from other coins. And it happens like this in crypto world. You do lose money on some coins, but at the end of the day, if you win enough, if you make enough bets and you win enough, you're gonna be much more successful than you were if you didn't take this risk. If you just decide, okay, I'm just gonna keep my bags, I'm just gonna buy Bitcoin, I'm just gonna buy Solana, sure, it's a good strategy, it's very safe. But guess what? It's not going to increase your net worth. The guys that you see them now, they're multimillionaires with Bitcoin, billionaires with Bitcoin. They didn't buy it now. They didn't buy Bitcoin when it was $50,000. No, these guys bought it a long time ago when it was still early. That's what I'm showing you right now. That's the only way for you to make massive amounts of money in a shortest period of time. So with that being said, guys, remember that this is not financial advice, and we hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.